Start recording. Stop recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hey guys, so this is Bridget, and I have a guide dog. His name is Sweeney, and I just wanted to start this channel to talk about some things, about service dogs in general, and, just to explain what a service dog is, and, just some things that I think people need to know about service dogs. So this is just an intro video, and I will talk a little bit about myself and a little bit about my dog. As I said before, I'm Bridget, and the video quality might be bad because I am blind, so I can't really see like if I'm completely getting my face in the video, but I think I am. But anyway, so I'm Bridget. I am legally blind. I can see like big things, and that's my dog. I can see like big things. I can't see very well in the dark, but like during the daytime I can see really well. Pretty well. But I have a guide dog that I got him last August. And August of 2016, and he is a black Labrador. Actually, hold on, let me see if I can get him to. Come here, Sweeney. Sweeney, come. His name is Sweeney. Here, hold on. Sweeney, sit. Sit. This is Sweeney. Hey. No, I don't want your ball. Anyway, so that is my black Labrador. He is from Guiding Eyes for the Blind in Yorktown Heights.
Instagram. Alto AM posted for the first time in a while.
Oh, shush. So yeah, and
Stop recording. Button.
we have been a team for almost a year now, which is crazy to think about. He's 2.5. So yeah, and I'm a senior in high school, and I'm about to graduate in like a couple days. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna be a freshman at, I'm going for like education. So yeah, this is just an introduction video. I know it was boring, but I am gonna start doing videos on like, simple things like what to do around a service dog and what you shouldn't do around a service dog, and what a service dog is and what they do for their handler, and maybe the different equipment I use and the different hand signals and signs for a guide dog team. So yeah, that's just a quick introduction.
Stop recording.